As I'm sure you guys know, there's a Senate GOP healthcare bill that is going to be going through the voting process soon. And amid this, a mother of a boy with rare genetic disorder has tweeted her hospital bill. So here's what CNN says. They say, as lawmakers push to get a healthcare bill through the Senate, one New Jersey mom is speaking out. Alison Chandra's son, Ethan, was born with Heterotaxy syndrome, a rare genetic disorder in which organs form on the wrong side of the body. So extremely serious. I mean, this is fundamental, right? They're literally growing on the wrong side. So it's very dangerous and could prevent function from these organs. Heterotaxy syndrome literally means different arrangement. Any of the internal organs can be malformed, missing, multiplied, or misplaced. So extremely dangerous again. Ethan was born with 9 congenital heart defects, and he has 2 left lungs, 5 or so spleens of dubious function. His liver and his gallbladder are down the middle of his body along with his heart, and then his stomach is on the right instead of the left side, she said. So here's what she tweeted, and it's a picture. I'm going to break it down to you guys, but here's what she said in the tweet. It says, quote, "It seems fitting that with the hashtag TrumpCare debate raging, I got this bill in the mail today from Ethan's most recent open heart surgery." And here is what it is, okay? So it's a massive amount. I mean, you have this paper here. They got coronary care, $47,000, room board semi, $22,500. You have another $42,000 for supply/implants, $10,500 for sterile supplies. I mean, another $40,000 for the CAT scan. Or sorry, no, that's for the that is for the anesthesia. So that is a lot. Aetna ended up paying most of it. All she had to pay was $500. So they paid around, $180,000. So here she did another tweet. She said, "I'll save you some math. Without insurance, we would owe $231,115 for 10 hours in the OR, 1 week in the CICU, and 1 week on the cardiac floor." So remember, this is fundamentally life-threatening for the child because it's literally growing in the wrong spots. So it leads to malfunctions and malfunctioning organs and just in the wrong places. This can lead to death. So imagine this person without health insurance. If Aetna wasn't forced to take care of her, she would be absolutely bankrupt because you have $231,000 in medical health care bills to pay, and that's an extreme burden that nobody should have to bear in a society like this. And the tweet has really gone up. Here's something else she says. She says, "I didn't follow politics before November. I was overseas for both of President Obama's elections. I have been shocked at how loudly each side yells about their specific talking points. It paints these issues as black and white when they're anything but that. It seems like our kids are being reduced to a line in a budget. No one seems to realize these are real people behind it." And this is the most important thing to take. These are real people behind it, and it's not just a budget. Tax cuts for the rich is not worth people's lives being endangered, people dying, people being severely injured, etc., etc. What's up, guys? It's Saul Hill here. You guys are watching The Progressive Voice. Make sure you guys click subscribe down below. We're fighting Donald Trump tooth and nail, and we need your help.